Hey Moonwolves, Leona17 here, and today we are in Minecraft Survival Mode. And this is a world that I already have. It says survival, yeah, I already said survival, what am I talking about? And yeah, we're just gonna, I might just show you my world, or just do stuff like that. Alright, I don't know what to talk about, but it's because I haven't made a video in ages. Oh yeah, guys, and this is my first Minecraft video. Like, ever. Fun fact about me and Minecraft, I absolutely despise exploring caves. Like, I despise it with all my flesh and blood. Because I being scared by like skeletons and stuff. And yeah. Alright, what am I doing again? I'm gonna make an iron pickaxe. That way I can get faster at mining. And I like to do strip mining, because that is like one of the best ways to get armor and like, not armor, iron and tools like that. I'm going to start a different one because I already have two. One of my nose is infested with silverfish, so I don't want that cave. I'm going to head this way. Only reason why I'm not grabbing this coal is because I have like over 100 of it. And like, it's just right there. I can easily find it again. I'm gonna go over to that house over there, even though I wouldn't consider it a house because, well, it's tiny. I don't even think I have, wait, do I have a bed with me? I don't have a bed with me. That's all. That sucks. I don't have a bed. But I know where I can get one of mine. Because I have like 4 beds made. I'm just gonna go into one of my strip mines to get one of my beds. That way it's like easier. Alright, now I have a bed and now I feel safer. Alright, now back to going to find a new place to strip mine. Which is that house right over there. Not the cobblestone one, but the one I showed you earlier. Almost there. I'm gonna get there soon, I hope. Yep. Let's see, where do I want to start this? Not over here, but in like, let's just do this area and mine towards that way. My shovel. No, I don't want that. I want my shovel. There we go. And I will fill this in with stairs later. But right now, for now, might as well just stick with what we have. I'm dig. That's a bit too low. High, whatever. I'm just gonna add some stairs in. Heck. Oh, by the way, some of you know I don't really have a microphone stand. So I made a custom one. And, well, it works pretty good, even though it's just like an organizer thing. What am I doing again? Stairs. I hate it when stairs don't turn out, like, face the way you want to. Because that just like ends up being more time consuming. I have a torch right here. Let's see, how much deeper should I go? Not that deep, so quite a ways then. And I totally forgot I had this on pickaxe with me. Oh, cool. That's nice. Right, let's go diggity dig dog. And hope I find some iron, because iron is like... Ooh, more coal. Nice. There's all my nuts and some right here. What? There's more coal? Alright, I can get you later. Because I can survive without coal for a while. Wait, is my coal? I have some. I have like most of my other furnaces. Get you over there. I should almost be deep enough. Probably about another 5 levels. Holy crud bears. That is interesting. Spire. Spire, spire, spire. Spire. Spire, 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 spire. Creeper! Alright. I'm scared to death right now. Spire. I'm scared to death right now. I hate mining, I hate mining, I hate mining. There's a spire right there. Holy cow bears. I can get out of here. Alright, strip mining is not that fun. I take back what I said. I take back what I said. I know you're not supposed to dig straight up, but like, what's left to lose? That's scaring me to death. I'm still a bit shaken up. I found the surface. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Where's my home? Wow, that got me far. That's scaring me so bad. I'm just gonna start strip mining up here, like, there's coal up there, might as well. And right there, but... Also, fun thing about me in Minecraft, I love to climb mountains, like, I love to do that, it's so fun. It's like, I just love to do it. Well, I think I have a house up here. Maybe not. One of these mountain peaks. Ooh, I need food. That would be good. I really need food. And yes, I know I'm leaving that coal area, but I need food. There's my house. And it's getting dark, and I have a sword. That's almost dead. Whoa. Hey, little piggy, piggy, piggy. Well, it would be nice to make more beds in the future. I'm just gonna settle down here for a while, get my bed. Not that. I'm gonna put my stairs over here. And like, I'm still a bit... Oh wow, that bed like almost blends in perfectly with the snow. Is it dark enough to go to bed yet? I'm legit. At least I believe I know. Oh, come on, let me climb this. At least I believe I basically remember where what the heck? Oh, that's just blocks. I thought I was like an iron golem, and I was like, what the heck? Why is there an iron golem over there when it's not even a village? Okay, I know iron is not iron. Oh yeah, I was right, I do have a house. I was just looking in the wrong direction because if I remember right, yep, the coal is right here. Let's mine. Oh, there's coal above my head as well. That cave experience really rattled my head and mind. Might as well just get some experience points from mining this. If there's a cave while I'm digging into this, I'm just going to... I don't know what I'm going to do, I just don't know what I want to do. And I can probably dig through this whole mountain. Ouch. Yes, I know that jump was stupid, but I knew I could survive. I think I have a bed in here. No. I need to fix that up, that way nothing can get in. I just made a bunch of random, like, small buildings, even though they have, like, no uses. Just to help me get back home and stuff. And there's water right there. Like, I mean, I found this beautiful area that has lots of coal. Like coal there. I don't remember where I even originally spawned it. Coal over there, and we all basically know that coal can go like deeper, go to the sides. Even more coal over here. And look at that, those beautiful stones. Yeah, basically stones. Come on, eat. Oh, I was pushing the wrong button. Like, there's tons of caves, but I hear strip mining is like the best way to get iron and materials like diamonds and stuff. Let's go to my other strip mine. That way I can show you how much cobblestone I have. Like, I don't even need that much. It's just from mining and mining and more mining and more mining. It's probably right here. Yep. I just hope I won't come across any silverfish infestation. Skeleton. Holy cow. Skeleton. Holy cow. And I don't really have the equipment to get rid of it. So I'm just going to put up... I'm just going to cover this up. Well, it's almost time to draw my video to a close. Like, I only have 1 more minute of filming time. Oh, that didn't work out. So yeah, I really rattled after all that. So, bye Moon Wolves. I'll see you later. Probably.